Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a humerus bone, long bone of upper limb, comprises up of upper end, shaft, and lower end. Upper end composed up of head, humerus head. This is called humerus head, which forms shoulder joint, and there is a surgical neck. This is a surgical neck, and there is a tubercles, two tubercles, lesser tubercle and greater tubercle. And between the two tubercles there is a groove called bicipital groove, also called intertubercle sulcus, and this point is called surgical neck. We separate the upper end of humerus from the shaft of the humerus. This is the point where the mostly the fracture of humerus occur. Surgical neck. This is a shaft of humerus present between the upper end and lower end. There, it is rounded in upper part. From there to there, it is rounded, and below this, there they become triangular shaped. It has three borders. It has three borders. This is medial, medial border, interior border, and third one is posterior border. On the medial side, there is a rough area for the attachment of coracobrachioles. Upper part of the shaft on the posterior side show a radius sulcus. Now we discuss about lower end. Lower end, there is a lateral epicondyle. There is a lateral epicondyle, and there is a lateral supracondylar ridge. And there is a prominent medial epicondyle, and there is a epicondylar ridge, prominent medial epicondylar ridge, medial, medial supracondylar ridge. Anterior side there is a two fossas. One is a radial fossa, and second one is a chronoid fossa. And on the posterior side there is a one fossa, which is a deep olecranon fossa. This one. This is called trochlea. This is called trochlea, and this is scapulum. Fourth, how we can identify that which side this bone is which side of humerus bone, right or left? The head faces upward and medially. This is present in that way. Deltoid tuberosity faces laterally. Deltoid tuberosity is present on lateral side. Third thing is that we noticed that prominent, this one is a prominent medial epicondyle which lies below and medially. And number 4 point we noticed is that olecranon fossas faces posteriorly and below. Olecranon fossa present below and posteriorly. So by these 4 points we can identify the bone is right or left. This is a right humerus bone. Head faces upward and medially. Deltoid tuberosity faces laterally, and prominent medial epicondyle faces lies below and medially, and olecranon fossas faces posteriorly and below.